Introducing the 2012 Honda Civic Coupe. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this model challenges small car competitors, regardless of price and class. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.